Hello baby lovers, my name is Bibiana. You are welcome to Bibi's Kitchen. Let's make this edikaikong for a client. While I'm making it, I'm going to tell you how eventful my day was. So I had an order for edikaikong, jollof rice and stew. Everything was double the price the last time that I was there. I had to buy what I needed to buy. I couldn't return the customer money because in Bibi's Kitchen, we never disappoint our customers. When I got back from the market, I had to prep all my ingredients a night to the due date, and I couldn't record the process of making the jollof rice and stew because I wanted to meet up with the deadline. This edikaikong vegetable soup was the last of the order. You know what they say, you save the best for the last. I mean, it has cow leg, it has assorted, it has beef, it has pomo, the stockfish, the dry fish. Oh my god, this one has it all. So you can go to my previous video to see how I make edikaikong. It's the same steps. You get a clean pot, you steam your protein. Because I already steamed my protein the day before, the night before, so it was easy for me. I just had to wash my vegetables, slice them, and then put my meat on the fire, put my vegetable on the fire, and then I start cooking, putting all the ingredients. And above all, please don't forget, you always have to get the best oil. As you see in this video, can you see the way the oil is dancing in the soup? Yes. When the oil is clean, the oil is sweet. This is how it makes your soup look like. It doesn't just add color to the soup, it adds this beautiful taste to the soup. And then you have to get your stockfish. I'm adding my stockfish because this customer wanted a lot of stockfish. So plus the smoked fish that I added inside, and then removable periwinkle, and the soup is almost ready. So before we pack, let me continue from the story. I finished making the jollof rice and the stew. All of a sudden, my gas finished, and this was around 4:15 a.m. in the morning. Like, oh my god. But thank God for plan B, that it's always good to have a reserve. That's the one in which I used to cook this soup. As you can see, I cook the soup in a smaller gas cooker. So we have to start all over again and then adjust and then cook in the smaller. But we deliver the best edikaikong soup you will ever taste. Ever, I assure you. I mean, take a look at this. Just look. See the freshness of the ugu. Look at all the protein inside. Just tell me, are you not hungry already with this soup? So now that our soup is ready, please, if you are watching up to this period, I appreciate you. Just click the like button and our ring bell so that you get notification whenever I'm posting a new video. And you can revert back to my previous post on how to make edikaikong, the step by step. For now, we have to pack this one and deliver it to our client. The client just flew back from London and is very, very hungry. Client ordered for 4 liters, but we have to put it in 5 liters because we didn't want any mess while packing it. And the way we seal it, we pack it very well so that dispatch rider will not come and say, no, my food short, or you want story, or you know the way the Lagos is stressful. See you on my next video.